Hey, I want to make sure this is going to work for you. I was trying to figure out how to mark promoted on the report cards, and this is what Brad told me to do. So I'll show you what he told me. So I'm going to go to my homeroom, and at the very side it says where it says the printer, I click print. And then I do the big bar drop down, and I'm go to my grade level. I'm grade level 3, and you might go to grade level 1 or 2 or kindergarten, but I'm grade level 3. So I click on 3, and I click submit, and that's going to generate a report card for my grade level. And you see now it's running. It takes just a moment to complete that. I've already run one, so I'm going to go and open up my view of that. And each report card is about 3 pages long for me, in my homeroom. This belongs to one of my students. And you see I have language arts and math, science, social studies, behavior, and work habits, and the teacher comments we've put down there. Now, in order to check this promoted, what I'm going to have to do is download all of this file. So I'm going to download the file, and I'm going to go ahead and save that file. I'm going to click cancel because I already did that. But you save the file, and it should be saved wherever you save it to. I just put mine on the desktop. So I'm going to click the desktop. I'm going to open it, open the download. So I downloaded it, and then I opened it back up. Now I have access to this little pencil in a circle. I'm going to click that, and this gives me my markups right here. I'm going to use this second dark scribble draw annotation tool. So when I scroll down to where it says promoted, I can put an X there. Actually, I'm better at making check marks. So on my next student, I try the check mark. Madison has an X, that's fine. And then moving on down. Oh, and I started check. It doesn't matter if you check it or exit or but something. Put some kind of mark there. And then you're going to go to the top of the page and save it. And then what I did is I figured out, okay, this student, Anthony Brown, has one. It starts on page 11. It ends on page 11, and it starts on page 9. So I went to the top and I saved page 9 through 11, and I named it Anthony so that I could email Anthony's report card to his parents and to him. So let me go through that. I guess you can play this video again if you need help finding those steps. But that's how we were told to do it by Brad, and so that's what we're going to do. Hope this helps a lot. I just went to that place right there, and I checked right there, and then I saved it. I saved the whole thing so I wouldn't lose my checks. And then I'm going to save just that few pages per child and name it by student so I can attach that saved PDF to an email. All right, and send that out Wednesday afternoon. If you need help, just send me an email. Thanks.